to Fairy Fox Design. I'm Laura Pennock, and I'm going to teach you how to paint the scariest thing we paint. Are you ready? She's right here. It's a beautiful person. Oh my goodness, when somebody sits down and they have a beautifully made up face, I'm always so nervous because it's like, what if I mess it up? Like, it already looks good, right? What do we add to that? Often this happens at a birthday party or something. You've painted all the kids and you still have half an hour, and so you're like looking around and there's some teenagers and you're like, I gotta get them into it. And the only way to do that is to convince one of them. Once you do a good job on one, the rest will follow. And we're gonna show you what that looks like. So often they're nervous and you have to say, oh, don't worry, I'm very good at this. Sometimes I'll give them a challenge. I'll be like, okay, if I do a bad job, I've got wet wipes, we'll wipe it off, but my goal is that you'll want to keep it. Often I'll just use chunky glitter. I'll come right here, I'll look at their clothing, and I'll just do a nice little C shape. And that's enough. I'm gonna use a little bit of face paint though. So here we go. And I tell them, it's going to feel much bigger than it looks, okay? Because they're like, oh, I don't know if I want anything. And it's like, trust me, you do. But we're gonna do the tiniest little baby face paint. Now, somebody that looks this good right now is the kid that got the full face tiger when she was like 8, and she's grown out of it. And we have the challenge to remind her it's amazing. We're gonna grab a nice little petal brush. And in fact, I want it even smaller. I tell you, we want to keep this so small. And so having brushes in all the sizes is great. This is the Floral Small by Blazing Brush. Love this brush. Load up a nice creamy white. And then since she's wearing mostly white and blue, I'm going to use those colors in the face paint. I won't even ask them their favorite color because I can tell. It's in their jewelry, it's in their clothing, it's in their makeup. But the one thing I will ask her is if she prefers black or white as an accent color.
I think white.
Okay, I knew that. If they can't decide and they get all flustered, because that happens too, I'll often say, are you in the mood to be lovely or dramatic? Or something like that, and give them words, and they can often answer that better than color questions or some of those other childish things. So I took a drop of water on the back of my brush and drew a line down my cake. As that absorbs into the paint, that's going to make this cake ready. Look at that. It hardly even changes the color of that cake. And what that means is that the paint color on my brush is now the deep blue that she's wearing. Now, if she was 10 years younger, this would be where we would paint her face. But with her age, we want to take the natural eye line and go right above it. So we're going to come right here and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get that right there. And then depending on how you're feeling inside, we might choose to do just 2. And I kid you not, they love this because face painting is awesome. So now I've got, this is a number 2 round. It's super small. I'm gonna come right here and I'm gonna do just a single little dot. And then I'm gonna just do a little trail of dots coming down and a couple more right there. And over here to the eye line. And then this is where it feels bigger than it is. But if you feel confident, this is gorgeous. I'm gonna just wisp it. So we're gonna just bring it down like that. And then maybe a little teardrop, teardrop, wisp. And you can see like I'm barely even touching. A few more little dots. Then sparkle, sparkle time. And you can usually tell when they're in their chair how comfortable they are. And if they were like fussing at the beginning, but then they're all over it, go big or go home, right? But if they're really nervous, like this is all we need to do. We're just gonna come right here with that little bit of glitter and give them a look-see.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Do you like it?
Yes, wow.
Yay!
It's beautiful.
Awesome. So don't let them age out, you guys, because we totally need it. Now, the thing that I love to do at the end with somebody like this is because I can take an okay face paint picture, but let me show you who knows how to take a picture. Before you leave, would you take a couple selfies for me? I pass off my phone and my work here is done. And they will sit and they will get these angles and they'll get it with their friends and they'll do kissy pictures. I mean, it's crazy the photos I have gotten out of selfies. Now, this does not take a lot of time. This was 2 brushes, 2 loads. I mean, that's it. But this is a happy person and it unlocks a whole nother world for us. And check out some of these selfies from these teenagers.